Hello all, this is your English teacher Mrs. Shanti of KV Ashoknagar. Today we are going to read a new story from class 10 English reader, First Flight. The title of the story is Madam Rides the Bus, written by Valli Kannan. Valli Kannan is a famous writer, R.S. Krishnaswamy. He was born in a village near Tirunelveli in Tamil Nadu on 12th November 1920 and died on 9th November 2006. He was a famous Tamil writer, journalist, critic and a translator. He started writing at a very young age and had published 25 books by the time he turned 30. He wrote a total of 75 books in his life. He wrote novels, poetry collection, plays and essays. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1978 for his critical works on modern Tamil poetry. The story revolves around a young girl, Valli, who desires to travel in a bus and how she fulfills this. Before we read the lesson, let me ask you a few questions. You must have traveled once. What can you see from a fast-moving bus? Speak briefly about these scenes or about such scenes that you have seen while traveling in a bus. The characters in the story are Valli, an 8-year-old girl, her mother, the bus driver, and the conductor. I hope you would have read the detailed story from the reader. Let's now proceed to the main points of the story. Valli was an 8-year-old girl. The most fascinating thing for her was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. She wanted to ride the bus. She made elaborate planning and saved 60 paise, both ways fare of the bus. The bus conductor stretched out his hand to help her up to climb, but Valli could get on by herself. The conductor was fond of joking and called her madam. The bus started with a roar and Valli was constantly looking outside. The conductor asked her to sit down as she had paid for a seat. She took her seat and an elderly woman sat beside her. The old woman was very repulsive and the smell of the beetle she was chewing offended Valli. The old woman asked why Valli was travelling alone. Valli asked her not to bother about her. Suddenly, a young cow came running very fast. The driver sounded his horn loudly, but the more he honked, the more frightened the animal became. The scene was so humorous that Valli laughed at the scene until tears came in her eyes. Her destination had come. The driver asked Valli to get off the bus. Valli handed 30 paise coin to the driver and told him that she was going back in the same bus. The conductor was surprised. He offered her free cold drink to her. Valli firmly but politely rejected the offer. He asked her if her mother wouldn't be looking for her. On her return journey, she saw the same cow lying dead by the side of the road. The memory of the dead cow haunted her and she was no longer looking outside. She reached her village at 3:40 p.m. She wished and hoped to see the driver again. She found her mother awake and talking to one of her aunts. Her aunt was a chatterbox. Valli agreed that many things were happening outside without her knowledge. Some of the highlights of the story have been depicted visually. The old woman was very repulsive and the smell of the beetle she was chewing offended. The old woman asked why Valli was travelling alone. Valli asked her not to bother about her. This is being depicted visually as pictures speak 1,000 words. The next picture is about how a young cow came running very fast in the middle of the road in front of the bus. The driver sounded his horn. But more he honked, the more frightened the animal became. The next one is about the conductor who offered a free cool drink to Valli, for which she firmly rejected it. And then is the sight where Valli sees the cow dead. And finally, she found her mom awake and her mom speaking to one of her aunts. Let us look into the theme of the story. Madam Rides the Bus is a story of a 8-year-old girl, Valli. She was a wonderful girl, mature, clever, practical, and self-respecting beyond her age. Standing in the front of a doorway, watching what was happening in the street was her favorite pastime. She was a great planner. She thriftily saved every penny that came her way for her first bus journey. During her first bus journey, Valli was full of enthusiasm and excitement. She enjoyed the landscape, the canal, palm trees, distant mountains, and green fields stretching out as far as her eyes could see. She reacted strongly when she was called a child or madam. The self-respecting girl refused to accept a free cool drink offered by the bus conductor. She planned a bus journey during the mother. Interestingly, her mother could never know of the bus journey her daughter undertook during her nap in the afternoon. The character sketch of Valli and conductor have also been provided here. And then finally we move on to the values which have been expressed in the story. Self-respecting. Valli is very self-respecting girl. She is a very curious girl. At the same time, one should remember that one should listen to one's elders. You have to be bold, but at the same time, safety is important too. Valli was found to be very confident and she was sympathetic towards others. Some useful quotes have also been compiled here, which would be useful to solve your value-based questions, which have been followed by a lesson and a few short questions also. And finally, you may refer to the Diksha app for an elaborate MCQs, short questions and long questions. I hope this video would be of great use. Thank you.